Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where the Xbox game bar is not opening on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing a problem where the Xbox game bar fails to open on your Windows PC, there are a few straightforward solutions to try. Begin by right-clicking on your Start button and selecting Settings from the menu. Once in Settings, navigate to the Windows Update tab. Click on Check for updates and ensure that all available updates are installed. Sometimes, an older version of Windows might lack the necessary components for the game bar to function correctly. Updating your system to the latest version often resolves this. After your system is up to date, use the Windows search bar to find Game Bar. It is important to select the Game Bar app directly from the search results, rather than using a shortcut, as this method is more likely to open it. If this step does not resolve the issue, the next option is to reset your computer. However, it is usually not necessary to go to this extent. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.